This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, so let me share my screen.
Sure.
Yeah, send me the request. I think this it has to come from you.
Yeah, you have the control now.
Yeah, I shared it. So this thing is a virtual machine. Like it talks the virtual machine about 20 some minutes to start now. Anyway, that is something else. Let me go to. Can we process like everything we processed on the putty here?
We can process here, but instead of this, putty would be the better option because the copy paste, the remaining things would be pretty easy in putty when compared to VM.
Okay, gotcha. I gotcha. If config. Okay. 192. 168. 233. 231. No.
It's 131.
131.
Yeah.
Go ahead. So
So can you maximize the putty screen?
yeah, gonna do it. Here we go.
Oh, still it's blurry. Can you try to increase the font size?
What size you said?
The font size is really too small for me to read when you share the screen. Can you please
Really?
increase the font size?
Okay.
Right click. I will tell you. Right click.
No, just
No. Go to.
yeah. Right click is not working.
Hold on. On the on the top menu there is a right click, right? There is a root at localhost. You see that in the middle in the menu bar. Can you put your mouse there and then do your right click?
Yeah, it's not working.
No, it will work. You are not putting the mouse in the right place. So bring your cursor. There is something called root at localhost. Do you see that?
Right here?
No, not here. On the top menu bar, in the menu bar. Yes. Do your right click. Yeah. Go to change settings. Change settings. Yes. Window. Third option, window. Yeah. Yeah.
This
Click
one.
that. Appearance. So on the right hand side, there is something called change, right?
Yeah, font 10. So yeah. I think.
Click on change. Now you
Maybe
can select, 12 or 14. That's good. Yeah, click OK. Again, apply. Yeah, this seems good now.
I think it's good now.
No problem. Okay, so
we signed in as root now.
Right. So you installed MQ and IIB in this machine, right?
Yes, but I didn't set the MQSI profile.
That's we can do that. Can you switch to MQM user? SU space minus space MQM.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you do PWD enter?
Either print working directory. Okay.
Yes. So we're in MQM home directory. Now we need to set the profile path for the permanent change. Okay.
Yeah.
For that, let me ping you the document which I shared you. It is already there, but
I think we have to change the directory to. Hold on. Okay.
no, be with the
Yeah.
MQM, be with the home MQM only.
I think. It
Go
was
to
like
home.
in var.
No, nowhere, nothing. Don't go where. So home MQM is the home directory for MQM user. Do one thing, CD, enter.
CD enter.
Yes. PWD, enter. That's it. Now, can you do ls minus lrt? Okay. Can you open the IIB installation document which I have shared with you now?
You mean you shared me something right now, or are you talking
No,
about?
I already shared you the IIB installation document, right?
Yeah.
Can you open that document?
I have.
Oh, have not you downloaded it yet?
This one, it does not need downloading. It is just you're looking for the instruction one, yeah?
Yeah, the instruction one.
Yeah.
No, not this
Come
one.
on.
Go back.
Yeah.
Not this one. Go back. Yeah, the third one. Yes, needed softwares. There is something called IIB.
Right here.
Yes, exactly. Scroll down.
Yeah,
Scroll down.
I'm right here. Right here.
Yeah. From from the export till FI. Can you copy that? Yes.
Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Copy. Yeah. Can you go to footy session now? Now create VI space dot profile.
VI space dot
Profile. PROFILE. No. Hold on. Instead of this, I think there must be already a profile. Can you do remove this? Remove VI. LS minus
LRT.
LART, which will show all the hidden files also.
LART.
Enter. Okay, already it is there. Can you open .bash underscore profile file? Do you see that? The second file.
Yeah.
Can you open that file and paste this thing in that file? Okay, VI space dot BASH
BASH
underscore profile
it's
PROFILE.
just profile.
Yeah, it's just a bash profile of MQM user. We can put the same content in this one. Enter. Okay. Remove the entire thing.
The one right here?
Do you know how to work in VI mode?
No.
Okay. Escape key. Escape. Okay. Now do no. Now press I symbol. I. Okay. Now you see there is something called insert in the below. It means we can insert the keys now.
Okay.
Okay, now can you press a delete button so that text will be deleted? Delete. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Now can you do a paste? I mean, Control V or a right click? Yeah. Now we have to save this file. For saving the file, can you press escape button? Okay. Now see the insert is gone. Now shift colon.
Shift colon.
Yeah. Okay.
And,
W
WQ.
exclamatory mark. Enter. Now the file is saved. Can you do cat space dot bash underscore profile?
Yeah, just to give me a second.
Sure, no problem. Take your time.
Okay. What is it? Sorry.
Yeah. Can you open the content of bash profile like cat space?
CD?
No, not cd. Cat.
Oh, cat. Okay. Cat and this one
Bash profile. Yeah, exactly. That one.
as it is. Yeah, that's
Okay.
right here.
Now see, the content is there which you have pasted. Now can you log out from MQM user and then again log in as a MQM user? Do log out. Yeah, exit is also fine. Yeah. Now su space minus space MQM and then enter. See, now the profile is loaded.
Yeah.
And the below bottom, you see MQSI, OPT, IBM, MQSI. Now, can you execute MQSI service command so that it will display the version of MQSI service space minus V.
Service space minus
Minus
B.
V. Yeah, V.
Oh,
Enter.
to check the version.
Yeah. Now see version 9 dot. So IIB version 9 has been successfully installed and the profile path has been successfully configured for executing IIB commands. So this is the procedure how to install IIB. Okay, hope you got a clear cut picture now how to install IIB.
Yeah. Everything is fine.
Okay. Now we can move on. So before move on, let me ask you one question. Do you know are you familiar with the MQ commands like how to check with the MQ version, how to create a queue manager? Do you know all these commands in MQ?
Yes, especially how to create queue manager or queue.
Okay. So can you check now what is the version of MQ you installed in this machine?
Um,
So I think you must have installed MQ in this machine, right?
yes, yeah. Hold on. Display MEQ minus V, I think.
No, V is not required. V is just an optional. Okay, perfect. Version 9.0. Okay, can you check how many queue managers are there in this machine?
Yeah.
No, it's just DSP MQ. That's it. There is no M.
Yeah. Right. Display MEQ.
Okay, no queue managers.
Yeah.
Fine. So can you create a queue manager with the QM1.
Yeah.
No, it's not CRT. Exactly. Okay. Can you display the queue managers list now? Perfect. Can you start the queue manager because it is ended state now? Okay. Can you do DSP MQ now? No, just
Hold
DSP
on.
MQ enter. Just list the queue managers. That's it.
Yeah. Testing most of the time.
Yeah, it's a confusing.
Yeah.
No QM1, no QM1. Just DSP MQ enter. That's it. Okay. Now it's running. Perfect. Now can you try to enter inside the queue manager?
Yeah.
Perfect. Can you try to create a local queue?
Yeah.
Okay. So can you try to display the properties of this QL1?
Yeah.
Perfect. So can you try come out from the queue manager?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. Now I totally believe that you really have very good knowledge in MQ. Fine. I just tested your MQ knowledge, like how confident you are in MQ. So
Not
now I
not
feel
not
yes.
not that very good knowledge, but
No, this is fine. The base things are fine. I mean, you know how to create a queue local, you know what is the purpose of a queue local, you know how to start a queue manager, you know the purpose of a queue manager. Yeah, that's enough for our IIB. I think that's what I just want to know. The thing is, if you're not familiar with these commands, I had a thought to explain them one more time so that I just tested your MQ knowledge. That's it. Okay. So now, can you stop your screen so that I can share mine?
yeah. My system is here. Yeah, you can go ahead.
Yeah. Do you see my screen, right?
Yes, I can see it, but it looks very
Okay.
small.
What you said, it's very small.
Yeah. Hold on. Let me do something from here. Then
Sure.
it will improve. The problem is I'm not familiar with this GoToMeeting stuff. Yep. Now it's fine. Just
Okay.
yeah.
So right now, in this putty session which you are seeing, we have MQ9 and then we have IIB version 9. All right. So basically, we come MQ installation on top of MQ IIB installation we have done. Now we can go ahead. So today we are going to deal with the. So let me open the course curriculum. All right. So we have finished module 1. This is the introduction part. We have finished the installation part and we have set the runtime environment also. And okay, so today let's go with the uninstallation of IIB. which is module 3, so that installation and uninstallation will be completed. So in today's session, we're going to go with the uninstallation part. All right.
Yeah.
So uninstallation part is pretty simple. Let me open a notepad. Okay. So IIB9 uninstallation, the prerequisite we need to have is we need to have a root user access to uninstall IIB. That's it. That's the only prerequisite. Okay. Because if you remember, when we are doing installation, we must have done with the root user only, right?
Right. Yeah.
So in the same way, when we need to uninstall any software from the operating system, we need to log in as an administrative account, which is root. Then we can start the uninstallation of IIB. Okay. So once this is done, once we get the prerequisite, the only one thing we have to do is, so the installation part we have done in /tmp and integration bus runtime. So from this directory, we have exported our binaries, and with the help of set mq linux 64, we have uninstalled it, right? Sorry, we have installed it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So for uninstalling, we have, what is the path we have to go? Okay, hold on. The path we should go is OPT IBM in cases 7. Okay, got it. OPT IBM, OPT IBM. So when we in OPT, what is OPT directory?
It is the installation path.
Exactly. It's a default installation path in the Linux operating system. So we have to go to the installation path of IIB, which is OPT IBM. In this OPT IBM, there
Then
is
you go to
something called
bin, MQSI.
no, not bin. We have to go to MQSI. So MQSI stands for, it's a broker thing. Whenever you see something called MQSI, it means that it's a broker thing. Okay, so all our broker binaries are installed in this path. So go to MQSI. Right now we are in OPT IBM MQSI path. When we do ls-lrt here, there will be a directory created with the installed version. So we have installed version 9.0.0.2, right?
Yeah.
So that's way with the 9.0.0.2, the directory is going to be created in OPT IBM MQSI. If we have installed IIB 10 version, then the directory must have created with the name 10.0.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so go to this directory, and in this directory, there are a hell lot of things. Okay, so right now we don't need all these things. We need only two things. When we go to bin path, so right now we are in OPT IBM MQSI 9.0.2/bin. Here we will be having the binaries. It means our MQSI commands. If I do ls here, do is all the MQSI commands. So these are the MQSI commands which are used for the IIB administrative stuff. If you remember in the introduction session, I have shown you some PPT where we are what are the commands we are going to use. I have underlined them if you remember our introduction session, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So these are the commands which I have underlined. Okay, so if you want to see MQSI commands, this is the path. Okay, but we should not go to bin path. Come out from this path. Now we are in OPT IBM MQSI 9.02. When we do list, there is something called uninstaller. Do you see this directory? So go to this directory, uninstaller directory, where it will be having the binaries to uninstall the softwares. Okay, So go to uninstaller again. No, it's only directory. Okay, hold on. Yeah, uninstaller. Simple. Uninstaller -i console. It's a file. See, it is having root permissions. Do you see this?
Yeah.
That's where this file can be executed with the root user only. It won't be executed with any other user.
So we are not in the
No,
bin.
we are not as a root. We are as a MKM only. So first
No,
of all,
I mean, okay, 9.00. So directory uninstall. So you already come out of the bin directory.
yes, we already came out from the bin directory. Here we already came out from the bin directory.
Okay, got it.
Clear? Any questions?
Yeah. It's fine.
Okay. So go to root directory. I'm switching to my root directory, su-root, and I'm entering my root password. So right now, I am with the root home directory, because as soon as we switch to root user, we will be redirected to the user homes directory. Okay. Now to uninstall, we have to switch to our path opt IBM MKSI 9.0 uninstaller. Go to this directory. Now here we will be having the files. We have to use the uninstaller file, something like /uninstaller -i console. This is the command. IIB is purely console mode installation and also console mode uninstallation. So if you remember, during the installation also we have executed a command called /setup linux 64 space -i space console. You remember that?
Yeah.
In the same way, for doing the installation, we have to use uninstaller file. We have to execute this file as a shell script as a console mode. Click enter button. Now it will uninstall. Wait for a couple of minutes. That's it. Uninstallation will be done. As simple as that. So let's wait. Now see, integration bus preparing for console mode uninstallation. So here is some instructions it is showing, because being a console mode, definitely it will pop up some things. We have to choose the appropriate options. So it is saying that welcome to uninstaller for IBM integration bus. The uninstaller will remove IBM integration bus from this path. So this is the path where IIB is installed. So it is saying that, okay, now from this path, your IIB is going to uninstall. So press enter. Now it's uninstalling. So are you getting some feel something is going on in the back end of the operating system?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now see, uninstall complete. Some items could not be removed. I mean, this is okay. Always some directory structures we have to do them manual removal. Fine. Now uninstaller has been done. Uninstallation has been completed. To verify if the uninstallation has been completed or not, again switch to MKM user. Okay. Now see, the MKSI profile is not loaded because it's been removed with the help of uninstallation. Now, if we execute MQSI service -v, no, it says that command not found because IIB has been uninstalled. Now, if we go to OPT IBM, if I do ls-lrt, see, do we see that 9.0 directory here now?
No, yeah, it's
No,
gone.
it means it's gone. The uninstaller has removed all the associated binary structure of IIB. So this is the uninstaller. It's as simple as that. Okay. Now, okay, let's try to install now again. So clear with the installation. Any questions?
Yeah, I think it's fine.
Yeah, it's very simple. Just 2 steps, right? Switch to root user, execute uninstaller -i console command. That's it. Now let's try to install it again because we need it. So our dump is For that, switch to root user. I hope you now know how to what authentication failure. Don't say. Okay, now I'm again going back to install my IIB in this machine. Hope you pretty much aware of how to install IIB now. So I'm going a bit faster. If you have any doubts, you can ask me at any time. Okay.
Yeah.
So my software is in /tmp and go to integration bus runtime and set up Linux 64 -I console. That's it. Now archive is preparing to install. Now see, the installation will be finished just like that. Now it is launching the installer. So I'm choosing option number 2, which is for English language. Okay, press enter to continue. This is the terms and conditions. So we need to press 1 to accept the terms and conditions. Now it is showing, okay, IIB is going to install in this path, OPT IBM 9.0.2. I'm choosing this path only. Okay, now it says that this file system needs to have this much of size, but it is having this much of size. This is greater than our prerequisite. So click enter. That's it. Installation starts. Fine, it's now started. Fine. The installation has been completed. Press enter so that the LAN check will be ended.
Yeah, I think you have to buy the profile and copy paste it.
Exactly. Only profile path is pending. Fine, it's not ended. So if I switch to MKM user,
Is there a problem if you do it from the root?
no, you should not do it with as a root because the thing is, I need to execute my IIB commands as a MKM user only. So you have to set the profile path when you are switch to MKM user. For the MQM profile path only, you have to set the IIB profile. So that with the MQM user, you can execute all your IIB commands. The thing is, if we have set the profile for a different user, then we have to switch to that user every time, and we have to execute our broker commands.
Oh, okay.
All right. So already profile path is already previously set, that has been automatically taken. vi dot profile. See, it's already there.
How it is already here?
No, previously I have set it. Now, when I do the installation of MQM, I didn't touch the
Okay.
profile path while doing an installation.
Oh,
Right?
so since we manually did this, the system didn't delete it, or
Yes, right. Since we manually did it, the uninstaller has not removed this profile.
okay, good.
That's the only thing. Now we have MQ, we have MQSI service. That's it. Installation is now completed. Now we can do anything we want. So right now, I mean, today I'm giving a homework, like, you know, pretty much aware how to install now. Now follow the instructions of uninstallation, do uninstallation of IIB information, again do reinstallation of IIB, so that you will get some good confidence in IIB installation and uninstallation. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So tomorrow, in the next session, we are going to start with our technical overview, like creation of brokers, deletion of brokers, creation of execution group, and the deployments and the properties. We're going to start from tomorrow onwards. From tomorrow onwards, the actual IIB admin session is going to start. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
All right. So that's it for today. We can start from
And
tomorrow.
let me. I have question there. Can you
Sure.
scroll this? No, can you scroll it down? Just the one on the screen.
You mean the course content?
Is this a course content or like the one which is installation instruction?
It's a course content.
Yeah. Just hold on. Where is that? Where it says like check for MEQ? I mean like MEQM ID, MEQM or group broker. Then
That's the installation instruction. That's the
yeah,
installation instruction. No?
I think it is on MEQ installation.
Here it is. This
No,
one.
not this one. Not this one. The one
Then
for
this one.
the one for the MEQ.
Oh, the MQ installation document you're asking. Hold on.
Yeah. Where like the demand is us to set the
Yeah, this one.
right. Yeah, right here. Then so third it says file systems var MEQM and opt-MEQM should be created. So right here, this is the one in the dark background. It's just to check whether it is already created or not. There is nothing which describes how to create it.
It's not required for us to know how to create a file system, because creation of file system, it's not MQ admin or IAB admin job. It's the job of Unix admin, Linux admin. So we have to request to Linux team, hey, can you please create these two file systems so that they can create on our behalf. That's it. Because file system, MQ admin doesn't take care of the file systems. It's an operating system level thing. You need to have the root user access to create the file systems. But do we get the root user access in the real time? No. Right? Got my point?
Yeah. But what is the command for creating these directories?
Creation of directory is pretty simple. If I do cd, so I'm already into var npm. Okay. If I go to var, we are in var now. If I want to create a directory, something called Mohan, I want to create a directory called MOHAN.
Just
So I use a command for
MK.
mkdir Mohan. Cannot create a directory, permission denied. It means I do not have the permission, because var is a complete root file system. We don't have access to create them. So
Okay.
if I switch to root user,
Yeah. You can do that whatever.
and
Yeah, I got
yes,
it.
and okay, and if I do mkdir Mohan, now it's created. See,
Yeah, I got it.
that's it. So that's how it is.
Okay.
Fine, clear?
Yeah. So during the installation, it takes the default directory.
Exactly.
Thank you. So see you
Yeah,
tomorrow.
no problem. So yeah, tomorrow again at 6 a.m. IST we can meet up.
Okay.
Okay. So Shulkili, have a good day then. Have a good sleep tonight.
See ya.
Okay, sure.